Hey guys, it's me Nathaniel and here's how I save almost 10,000 pesos per year using my China Bank Velvet credit card. Wala naman talaga akong balak mag-apply for a China Bank credit card. Pero sakto, nung nagpunta kami sa SM noong January, merong booth yung China Bank and na-curious ako kasi may nakalagay na you can get approved in as quick as 30 minutes, so tinry ko naman. And buti naman na-approve ako kasi marami na akong existing credit cards from other banks. And ito yung bongga sa China Bank Velvet Visa credit card. You can save almost 10,000 pesos per year or 800 pesos per month using your card. Need mo lang mag-spend ng 8,000 pesos every 8 of the month. Di ba bongga? Pwede mo siyang gamitin for groceries, shopping, utilities like electricity, Wi-Fi, water, etc. So, super sulit niya. As you can see here, ito yung screenshot ng China Bank mobile app ko. And makikita nyo, may bawas siya na 800. So yun yung cashback na na-receive ko every month. And to make it even better, naka-receive din ako ng Pandora bracelet and charm na worth almost 8,000 pesos. Nag-spend lang ako ng 6,000 pesos within 60 days from approval. So alam nyo na, pag kami nakita kayong booth ng China Bank, mag-apply na rin kayo.